I'm Anna McPherson from the agency and welcome to 9 Ridgeway Close, Yeppoon. Crawling over 2 levels and exceptionally appointed throughout, this stunning home offers seamless entertaining with the flow from the galley-style kitchen through to the dining, lounge and outdoors. And isn't this spectacular? With stunning ocean views, this giant master suite is the only bedroom on the top level. It has gorgeous ensuite and also a landing pad, which is great as an office or additional lounge. Offering unsurpassed space and privacy with limited neighbours, all on a 784 metre square allotment within central Yeppoon. You're going to absolutely love 9 Ridgeway Close. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise on the Capricorn coast, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.